Can robots ever replace the human touch in healthcare? What do you think? The answer might surprise you. There are robots delivering medications, monitor vital signs continuously, and even assist patients with their movements, ensuring safety and efficiency. This is not science fiction. This is the future of healthcare. Robotic nurses are already making a huge difference in hospitals around the world. Now, some would say they will replace humans. The answer is no. These robotic nurses are designed to support, not replace, human healthcare professionals. They work in tandem with human nurses, creating a collaborative environment. These robots can navigate hospital hallways, interact with patients, and perform a variety of essential tasks with ease. By automating routine tasks, these robot nurses optimize efficiency and allow human nurses to dedicate more time to providing personalized care and emotional support. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated robotic nurses to play an increasingly vital role in shaping the future of healthcare. Now, you might ask, what's the role of these robotic nurses? Let me tell you, they play a crucial role in enhancing efficiency and patient care within healthcare settings. One of their primary functions is to alleviate the workload of human nurses by handling tasks such as delivering medication, taking vital signs, and transporting lab samples. They can monitor patients round the clock, recording vital signs and alerting human nurses to any significant changes. This constant vigilance ensures that patients receive timely attention and intervention when necessary. In addition to their logistical and monitoring roles, robotic nurses contribute to a safer hospital environment. They can assist with patient lifts and transfers, reducing the risk of injuries for both patients and staff. Their presence can also enhance infection control by minimizing unnecessary human contact. But what about the future? Imagine robotic nurses that not only assist but also think. How close are we to robots with real autonomy? Stick around, because we're uncovering the possibilities next.
Meet Moxi and Tug, two real-world examples of robotic nurses transforming healthcare. Developed by Diligent Robotics, Moxi is designed to assist nurses with routine tasks, allowing them to focus on patients. Moxi can handle a variety of duties such as fetching supplies, delivering items, and even organizing equipment, which significantly reduces the time nurses spend on non-patient care activities. Moxi has its ability to interact positively with people helps create a more welcoming and less stressful environment in hospitals. Tug, on the other hand, is a robust robot designed for transporting supplies, medications, and even heavy equipment. Developed by Ethan, Tug navigates hospital hallways autonomously, ensuring timely delivery of essential items. Its advanced navigation system allows it to move seamlessly through the hospital, avoiding obstacles and ensuring that deliveries are made without delay. Its ability to handle heavy loads reduces the physical strain on hospital staff, minimizing the risk of workplace injuries. Moxi and Tug not only enhance efficiency and safety, but also free up human nurses to focus on what truly matters.
Integrating robotic nurses into healthcare systems is not without its challenges.
One of the biggest hurdles is ensuring that these robotic systems are compatible with existing medical infrastructure and protocols. This involves rigorous testing and adjustments to ensure seamless integration. Additionally, there are concerns about training healthcare professionals to work alongside these advanced machines, which requires a significant shift in both mindset and practice. Training programs need to be comprehensive and ongoing to keep up with technological advancements.
Another challenge is the cost associated with developing and implementing robotic nurses. These costs include not only the initial investment, but also maintenance and updates. There's also the issue of patient acceptance. Patients need to feel comfortable and confident in the care they receive from robotic nurses. Many patients may feel uneasy or skeptical about receiving care from a robotic nurse, which can affect their overall experience. Building trust through positive interactions and transparent communication is crucial. Addressing these challenges is essential to successfully integrating robotic nurses into the healthcare system. With careful planning and consideration, robotic nurses can become valuable assets in modern healthcare. Please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.